It's difficult to comprehend in the event that you won't ever be there. I as of late posted an inquiry on my Facebook page posing to individuals who'd experienced sadness to depict what it seemed like, so those who'd never experienced it could comprehend it better. Here were the reactions. 1. Despondency is seeing no future and no solution for any of the issues in your day-to-day existence. 2. At the point when you have gloom, nothing is agreeable. Nothing can make you grin. 3. It seems like you're a phantom, not a piece of this present reality. 4. It's like suffocating with the exception of you can see everybody around you relaxing. 5. Wretchedness is a dull, inevitable spot. It resembles being secured in a room with no light, windows, or entryway. It's so dull you couldn't see your hands before your face, not to mention discover a way. 6. Wretchedness is the failure to build or imagine a future. 7. Slipping into despondency wants to tumble down a dull, endless shaft, contemplating whether and when your fall will at any point be gotten. Also, as you think back to where you tumbled from, which is where you realize you really want to return to, you can see it retreating further into the distance, the supposed light becoming increasingly dim, while the shaft into which you are falling becomes further, hazier, and all the seriously wrapping. 8. Despondency to me resembles having your psyche supplanted by another that causes me to feel useless and numb to life, even to my own significant other and child. It denies me of feeling something besides a feeling of ceaseless trouble, never fully knowing the wellspring of it, however, realizing that feeling good. Wretchedness has taken my certainty, and presently I never again feel I deserve anybody's adoration. Gloom calls me names and causes me to have horrendous considerations, and there have been times when discouragement has won, and I've taken an excess. 9. It resembles being caught in a case that you can't escape, an exceptionally dull spot, where you feel so low that even straightforward errands are troublesome. You feel totally alone. 10. A complete loss of what your identity is.